Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Our account hitting new all-time high. Even though Bitcoin dropping, the altcoins bleeding. Our account hit all-time high because Uniswap pumped 50%. Congratulations, everyone. Massive gains. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. And I'm going to look at Uniswap. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. The reason Uniswap pumped was because they're releasing a new protocol that will give the token holders a share of the revenue of the fees, which is very, very good news for anyone that holds Uniswap, which we bought at the bottom of the market, which I'm going to show you in this video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping into the market, and Uniswap was up 50% yesterday, or even more. Massive move. And we've been buying it from the bottom. If you followed my videos, look at that move from yesterday, from $7 to $12.60. $7 in one day. That move on Uniswap in just one day was 81% in one day, everyone. Congratulations. And that sent my account up to new all-time high. It was at 650 at one point, but 631. New all-time high for the account. Oh no, 632, but yesterday was 650 on that Uniswap pump. So new all-time high from the account, up from 150,000, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. I'm going to show you the tweet where I tweeted about this, about buying Uniswap. Bitcoin 50,800, pulling back, trying to hold on to this trend line, but multiple touches now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6, many times trying to break this trend line. So most likely it will break. Actually, it's trying to hold on right now. It is still in a bull flag on the 4-hour. Let's go weekly time frame. Still the second to third impulse. Volume still growing. Stochastic is double topping. Usually when the stochastic 1, 2, that's the time to be getting out. It's starting to double top. Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot, still firing a blue buy. Back in February 23, it fired a blue buy at 22,000. It's still a blue buy now. It hasn't fired to a red sell yet. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell on the 48k ETF announcement and not fired a buy yet. Let's go into the daily candles. Each candle here represents one day. What you're looking at is a bull flag here. Pole and bull flag. This is a bull flag on Bitcoin, in my opinion. Still, second to third wave is still in effect, but the real strong support is at 50,700. 50,700, also a strong support, but it looks like it's going to break it. Many times it's trying. But today is the weekend. Usually volume will fade, so it is possible that we get a fade of volume here, taking us to 49k. That would be a bloodbath to the markets if we don't get a bounce. For riskier traders, trying to catch this bounce would be a nice trade in case it bounces and we start heading up to 61k, or if it fails, you just hit a tight stop loss. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin for a riskier trade. And this is the one most likely to hold if Bitcoin nukes. So this is for the safer trade on these supports. And then target still 61k. I still think we're in that second to third impulse wave, even if we correct down to 50,500. These are the two trades I'll take on Bitcoin. This one is 88 risk to reward. Opening the trade on the gray line is where the trade opens at 50,500. Stop loss is at 50,400, and take profit is at 61k. Risk to reward is 88 times, risking $123 to make $10,800 with no leverage. 10x leverage, 108,000. 100x leverage, 1.8 million. 1 million. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 50,562. That's for the riskier trade, purely on the hope of on the play of this bull flag. This is a riskier trade purely on the play of the bull flag playing out, getting a bounce here and playing out, but with a very tight stop loss. So if it goes against us, we're only going to risk $123 per Bitcoin. But that's a riskier trade, but I want to get it in case this bull flag plays out. The safer trade I would take at 49k. This one here, 49,048, stop loss 48,894, and take profit 61k. Risk to reward 80 times, risking 154 to make 12,000. No leverage, 10x leverage, 120,000. 100x leverage, 1.2 million. These are the true trades. I'll share them inside the Telegram. Also, congratulations to all of you. You can follow me on James Crypto Guru on Twitter, 83,300 followers. People calling me Nostradamus. 1 billion USDT was minted at Tether. 1 billion USDT. Bitcoin bull flagging. I shared it about 1 hour ago. Crypto market bleeding, but account hitting all-time high because of Uniswap. This was me on the 1st of the 12th, 2022. I've been buying at the lows. Bitcoin, MCRT, Cake, Uniswap, Google, Meta, Tesla. This is one of the best tweets I've ever made. This is one of the most money I've ever made for anyone, including me and including our community. On the 1st of December 2022, just before the 2023, this was the bottom of the market. I bought Uniswap, Cake, Bitcoin at the bottom, and look at Uniswap, just massive move out of Uniswap up. Yesterday, Uniswap was up 49%, but really it was 80% at the peak, which is beautiful. You can see the case that's happening to prove Satoshi or not. Wow, shit, Uniswap. I looked at my account and saw I was up so much. Congratulations, gurus, on that massive candle on Uniswap. Just so beautiful. Large volume onto Bitcoin. Let's see what Uniswap is showing us now after this massive move. Congratulations. It's up another 5% right now. Wow. Look at that move on Uniswap. Congratulations, smashed through all my resistances. It hit my targets. Wow, destroyed all the targets. $7, $9.80, $12. I still have all my Uniswap. Next major resistance for Uniswap, I would say, would be here. $17 is the next major resistance. We also have, I would say, another one here. $17 and $14.90, two major resistances for Uniswap as we come up. And again, congratulations everyone, all of you who bought Uniswap, bought those lows with me. Amazing gains, 80% in one day, and the account all-time new high, up from 150,000 to 632,000. In the last 7 days, my account went from, it went from 605,000 to 632,000 to 605,000 back to 632,000 on that Uniswap pump. So I made around $27,000 this week. Last 30 days, my account is up from 480,000 to 630,000, which is around, in the last month, I've made $150,000 in the last month, and in the last 90 days, beautiful. Congratulations, all of you. I'm still holding my spot. Bitcoin 2, Bitcoin 101,000, 1% down. Uniswap 88,000, 64% up, everyone. $88,000 of Uniswap. Amazing. Up 65%. USDT 61,000. Doge 60,000. Hasn't pumped yet. A little bit pumped, but waiting on Doge. FXS 49,000. Not much big pumps on MCRT. Down 2%. 41,000. Rollcoin 38,000. Down 7%. Pocket 37,000. Down 8%. And Sui, that's what I'm holding. But again, account new to all-time high, 12.43 Bitcoin, up from 150,000, which is amazing. All the links, everyone, to do all of this underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges where I trade. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. You learn, the crypto mastercourse teaches you all technical analysis, and you get the indicator bots, and you learn how to use them. 3, join us in Telegram. 9,000 of you are trading together. And again, everyone, congratulations on Uniswap. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe and smash that thumbs up and turn on the bell, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.